another video. So, returning subscribers, welcome back. New subscribers, welcome to the channel, y'all. So, a little while back, I believe it was last week, I posted a video about Atozwig. I filmed an unboxing for that hair, and it was absolutely beautiful. And this is the freaking result. Isn't it freaking beautiful though? Like, yeah. Anyway, before we get into anything with this hair, I'm gonna tell you all the deets and specs and everything that I did to it or whatever. But before we get into that, as usual, please subscribe below if you have not already. I keep telling y'all it's free. Why not subscribe? Clearly, if you're still watching, if you've watched all these videos, hello, join the fam. We're great here. We're very welcoming. We love new people. We're very supportive. So subscribe. It's all right. Any questions, comments, criticism, I can take it all. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get a notification every time I drop another video. And let's get into this beautiful hair. So, I told you guys in that video that I was going to do some pink with it, right? So I was supposed to only do the tips, but obviously I went absolutely overboard with it, and why not, right? It's just hair, so why not go all the way in? So I filmed myself dyeing it the first time. So that didn't go so well because I don't like lifting the hair more than once, right? Because I find that if I lift it more than once, the hair is not as soft and wonderful, and the life of the wig is severely shortened. So I lifted it once, and it didn't lift blonde as I would have liked it to. I used a salmon color, I used a rose gold, and a bright neon pink. And I wanted it to be like a gradient effect, like it was gonna be like, the top would only be black and there would be these three colors underneath, but it just did not work out that way. The colors, the way they came out, it was so brassy. Even if after I washed it with the purple shampoo, it just didn't give me the look that I was looking for. So I figured, let me just saturate it with a color that's a lot more pigmented and could cover this color, and that's what I did. So this is like a raspberry tone. I don't know if it picks up raspberry on camera. It probably looks like it's red, but it's like a raspberry color. I think it's beautiful. I love it. But yeah, so I'll put the colors of the dye. I use a door. I'll put the colors that I use down below to achieve this. But, all right, so this is my official review of this hair. So when I tell you that this hair is freaking popping, what? It took all that beating. Like, I mean, I did everything to this hair. Like, I did everything to this hair. It's still just as thick and wonderful as it was when I first got it. I showed you guys in the first video how soft it was. It is still just as soft, even after all that coloring and whatnot. But what I do is while I'm coloring, after each process, I'll use my silicone mix. Always. After each process, I always use silicone mix to bring the hair back, to give it life again, to keep it as soft and wonderful and tamed as it was in the beginning. That always works for me. So I'm able to really like beat this hair to death and have it really come back and not look like it's been beaten to death. So that's what I did. But guys, do you not see how pretty like the freaking color is? Like, and so what I did was I dyed everything but the closure part. Oh, that's another thing. This is a closure wig. This is not a frontal. So that's another thing that was kind of a little bit of a setback because I'm used to frontals. You know, y'all see in my videos, I like the little behind the hair, behind the ear thing or whatever. So I was like, F it. Let me just do it the same way I would a freaking frontal wig. So I just took my little brush. Where is it? The little two-sided brush or whatever. I, you know, did my little baby hairs or whatever. Made it look all nice and gritty. Let me get closer so you guys can really see it. Right? And so It looks like I may have on a frontal, but this is a closure. And it gave me the same effect that I like. And I love this wig. I'm telling you guys, like, if you're looking for a bob, this is the bob to buy. Like, absolutely, hands down. I'm gonna get another one of these, and I'm gonna dye it a whole nother color. Like, I'm so into color right now. I want like a freaking rainbow. Like, so every single day of the week, whatever my outfit looking like, whatever my shoes looking like, I'm gonna have a wig to freaking match. Yes. But yes, Atozwigs, I'm going to link them down below. They'll be in the description of all the specs of this wig. Links to their website. It's an Amazon company. And like I said in my previous video, yo, Amazon, nobody's spending $400 for bundles no more, sis. Like, at freaking all. So get to Amazon, but just see your reviews first, because there's still some, just like how AliExpress, it took them a while to really get popping. Same thing with Amazon. Just make sure you see reviews on the hair before you buy it. But I'm telling y'all, Atozwigs, the price, the freaking quality, get that shit. Like, that's that. So, if you liked my review and you like this beautiful freaking hair, isn't it so pretty? This color, like, I'm so freaking, I love it. Like, look at how pretty that freaking pink came out. Like, do y'all see that? But I kept the frontal black so that I could still wear it in life, you know, because you can't go to work. I work for one of the biggest hospital systems in freaking New York City. I can't go to work with an old raspberry colored wig. So I figured if I keep the front black, right, it's not gonna upset anyone. It's not gonna offend anyone. Cause you know how some people look at you like, oh, what is she doing with all this color on her hair? Yank, this wig is freaking beautiful. So yes, do the damn thing. Click them links in that description box below and go get this freaking hair and play with that shit. Have a freaking blast, because I know I did. Even though it didn't come out exactly how I wanted to at first, just know the whole process, I love it. Like, I'm having a freaking blast. I absolutely love it. So yes, go get this wig, sis. Yes, and if you like this review, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.